R-2007 illumination instrument can be used to enhance performance. Telescopic crowns, precision accessories, and other prosthesis measurement. Design, branding, accurate measurement, the restoration, and precise branding. Power socket. Power switch. Polished phones foot socket. Polished phone pedals. Electromagnetic switch. Press the electromagnetic switch when the electromagnetic lock opens. Lock the fixture face tightly. Press the gap to turn on the electromagnetic switch. Mobile phone control panel, hand switch. Reversible switch. Foot switch. Speed adjustment knob. Working platform. Model fixture. Fixture holder locking switch. Open leg. Lock to the right. Model locking push rod. Lock counterclockwise, open clockwise. Column swing up lock switch, clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to open. Spindle lifting now. Turning to the left is going off. Rotation to the right is descent. Mobile phone connector. Middle swing and vertical locking key. Open counterclockwise. Clockwise for locking. Rod light. Vertical lock knob. Scale plate. Precision differential cylinder travel 0 to 25 mm. Polished phone. Mobile phone switch. Left turn to lock the clamping drum. Right turn to open the clamping drum. Turn on the power. Twist the motor down the model to be polished. Open the locking switch of the fixture to adjust the angle.